Welcome to this guided meditation, a meditation that will help you fully relax and find inner peace and balance. Meditation will help you find the meaning of your life. It will guide you to find your way in life, why you are here, and what the greater purpose is for you being in life. Before we start the meditation, I ask you to place yourself somewhere where you can sit or lie comfortably, and where you don't feel disturbed or feel pain or discomfort. A place and a position where you can be completely relaxed and mentally present in the meditation. Find a place and a time where you can remain undisturbed throughout the meditation. The meditation will start in a moment. If you need more time to get settled, pause the recording for a moment and start it again when you are ready. The meditation begins now. Close your eyes. Now you are ready. Imagine that you are walking in total darkness. You can barely see anything. Around you, there is only a black desert, like a barren lunar landscape, all black and cracked. There is nothing else to see, as far as the eye can reach. You wander around desperately, groping for something that you don't know what is. Maybe a direction, a reason, a meaning, but you don't know which way to go, for all directions seem the same and meaningless. It's as if you can't find peace until you are sure of who you are and why you are here. It's this insight you are searching for, but you don't find it here in the darkness. You know that you must seek out into the light, out into the world, out into life. So let's go out there together. Imagine that you are lying in a meadow. It is spring. The sun is shining and the sky is light blue. Little fluffy clouds are drifting slowly by. The grass caresses your arms, your legs, and your feet, as does the gentle breeze. You feel the light and warmth of the sun flowing into you, filling you with ease and hope, almost excitement, because you know that something good is going to happen to you, that your life is about to change, that you are about to change, all for the better and brighter. You clearly see the meadow around you, the distant trees, the leaves, the flowers around you, the birds, the bumblebees, the deer jumping freely in the distance. Everything is as it should be, in complete balance and completely connected. You are just lying there, quietly, observing everything around you. Imagine you feel Mother Earth beneath you. You let your love for nature and Mother Earth flow down through the meadow and across the globe, and you feel her love flow back to you. You lie there, feeling that she loves you and that she wants the best for you. You look up at the sky above you. You don't move, just relax completely and gaze up at the sky. You feel a calm and relaxed balance inside. A balance you share with everything around you. Everything is in balance. Nature is in balance. You feel that you dissolve and become part of everything around you. You are the spring green leaves. You are the light blue sky, the floating white clouds, the strong and stoic trees, the wings of the birds, the colours of the flowers, the joyful hum of the bees. You are the beauty of the meadow. You are the wisdom and insight of the forest. You are the freedom of the wind. You let yourself be lifted by the wings of the wind, up above the meadow's flowers and gently swaying blades of grass, above the white clouds, all the way up where you can float with the wind. You are light. You fly. You let yourself be guided along in this light and floating state. You feel that you are present in the world, and you feel that you are a part of everything, and that everything is a part of you, and that this is exactly how it should be. You feel inside yourself that just being is the meaning of your life. It is the purpose in itself. Focus your attention and your energy on being present and sensing and experiencing the world. Is your goal in life, your purpose, your meaning? think too much. Don't desperately search for a greater meaning. Don't analyze everything too much. Just try to find comfort in knowing that it is enough, that you just exist, that you are here in the world to experience it, to sense it, to witness it. You are the eyes of the Creator. You are the witness of everything. It is through your eyes, your senses, your mind, and your existence that the world exists, that the world is experienced. Try to find peace and comfort in the fact that your meaning is nothing else but you. The meaning is that you exist, that you are present, and that you focus your attention on being present and sensing. Your meaning is to take life in, to live fully, to feel life in every cell of your body, in every flicker of your mind. Find peace in knowing that your purpose in life is to know that you have lived your life as fully and wholly as you could have wished for, that you have done your best to sense, absorb, and experience life as much as possible. More than that, you cannot do. This is your meaning. This is your path. This is your compass. When you have experienced love, care, pain, and happiness, when you have cherished the morning song of the birds, when you have sensed the scents brought to you by the gentle breeze, when you have felt the euphoria of breathless landscapes, when you have let the sun warm you deep into your heart, when you have floated among the stars on the most beautiful night sky, when you have felt the long grass between your toes, when you have held a soft child's hand in yours, when you have been enriched by the wisdom and insight of old age, and when you have felt the peace and carefreeness of your final moment, then you have lived. This is your meaning. Nothing else and nothing greater can you achieve in life. Your purpose in life is reproduction and survival, like the bees and the animals and the trees. But your meaning in being here at all is to live, to sense and experience life fully and deeply. So find peace in knowing that you can find meaning in your life simply by finding life. Your purpose is earthal, but your meaning is universal. Your purpose is reproduction and survival. Your meaning is to live. We are not here just to survive. We are here to live. So find great comfort in knowing that it's not just good enough that you live, it's everything that you live. It's your reason for being here. Your existence is the meaning. Now return to the tall grass, where you are lying in the sun, looking up at the sky. You still have your eyes closed. You feel the soft grass between your fingers. You feel Mother Earth supporting your body. You feel her love, as if she is holding you in her embrace. You are completely safe. You are completely relaxed. And you are happy inside, because you now know your meaning. You now know why you are here and what your purpose in being here is. It gives you a tingling feeling of happiness and warmth. You smile to yourself. You send love back to Mother Earth and up to the sky, to the clouds and the light blue sky, and further out to the stars, to everyone who has lived before you and everyone who will live after you. You send them a warm and loving greeting, that they can be safe, just as you are now. For the meaning of being here is simply just to be here, fully aware, sensing and present with everything in your body, your mind, your emotions, and your senses. You now feel completely sure that you will find meaning and your way in life as long as you hold on to the feeling you have inside you right now. The meditation is now over, and you can open your eyes